Alright, gang, y'all see, got everything painted up over there. Now we gotta focus on sanding. I guess I look like little sand on that edge right there. This side here ain't too bad, but my main concern is this other side right here. She got a little bend right there. Gotta try to straighten that bend, and I'll knock this down. Get all that smoothed out. We put these fenders back on here. Put the hood on. Alright, gang, so I was able to bend them straight some with some pliers. You see I messed it up a little bit right there, so I'm gonna have to fill it up a little bit. I got me some, I think it's like 220. I'm just gonna sand it down with. Y'all see what's going on. I'll cut you back on in a minute. Alright, gang, so y'all see I got it all smoothed down. What I'm gonna do, come back, just fill me a little boundary up in there. I think that'll be a wrap until I put the other fenders on, then I'll take care of everything else together. Body filler right there. Alright, gang, I had the fender on. I took it back off again, because after looking, y'all know the truck was wrecked before. It seemed like this here side lining up flush with the fender, but this one here, like it wasn't out enough. So what I did, I checked out this center gap, and I had to push him out some. Hopefully that fixed the problem. I'm gonna try to throw it back on and try it out again. I was about to shimmy out this here hole and mess with this here clamp. I just pulled off of there. Oh, this one right here. But I think I'm gonna just put it back on there. I'm gonna try to open up the hole a little bit more, and we're gonna go with that. And y'all see the little repair I did. I don't have no spreader, so I couldn't fill it in. But I did prime up that raw metal. I think I'll be able to get it with the rest of the body work once I put them on the truck. I mean, hit everything else on the truck and put that fender on. Alright, you see what I'm talking about? Ain't bad at the bottom, but the top definitely needs to come out some. Yeah, they gotta come out some, so we gotta keep playing with it to try to get it out. I mean, the gap on it ain't too bad. The gap could probably stay right there, but we definitely gotta get the fender out. So what I could probably do is wobble that hole out, what I was showing y'all, to be able to bring the whole thing out some. So I'm probably just go ahead on and do that. See me coming back with our connector, just the two that we took out that door loom, and they just coming straight through here. Pop him back in section in place. Might have had some clip, then it just wrap right around here. They just gonna plug right up in there. 1, 2, like that. I also put our screw back in place for this here door hinge. Put them back in place. All right, gang, random checking in. So I just pulled this here wire. I don't even know what it was for. Out that connector. Better try to get this here box in place. While I was under there taking this wire loose, I noticed we've been having an ABS light on, and all we gotta do is tie this here wire that's going to our ABS to this here wire that's coming from our ABS, or this one here going and that one that coming from. So we gotta tie those two together. But I noticed I had a big leak up under the ground, and I noticed this water pump leaking, so now I gotta pull a damn water pump off It would have been good to do that while I would have had everything out the way, but it's all good. I'm gonna at least try to get this box here locked down and in place, and then I'll get to that. I'll catch you on in a minute. All right, gang. Y'all see I swapped the box out for the wiring. I got it locked down. 2 bolts right there. We got 2 on the fender. Now I'm gonna get these here wires installed, get them all clamped down in the clamps, and then I'll set the computer in. So I'll cut you on once I get that done. All right, gang. I think we looking pretty good and organized. Y'all see I got my relay block there for my electrical fan. So I believe I just gotta put this here cover on now, but I'm gonna supply power to these fans. You gonna go right there, and from there we should be good. I need to, like I said, connect those lines on this ABS. Probably throw me some loom on these couple wires, and then I'll start removing this fuel pump. Water pump. All right, gang, got it all looking like factory. We all locked down in place. Could have used that other cover. It ain't broke, so I could snap it right there. I might pull them off and look at it. Let me see. I lost them up. Probably could put this one here on there. Well, it ain't. It still got a little crack in it. Yeah, it ain't gonna be able to grab right there anyway. So I'm gonna just rock with that one I got. What I could do, I could just use this hood cover or the other one, and I'll put this here for my fan relay cover. I'll show you all right quick how we pop that on. The relay cover, I'll go right there. All right, y'all see how it go. Relay cover, fuse block cover. Now I'm gonna go ahead on. I probably think I need to wash that battery tray up so we can get him installed, and I'll be able to put the battery back in there. I guess for now, I can either start taking that water pump loose, or I could connect these ABS wires. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that water pump so I can try to go get me another one a day. I'll take a look at this here, what you call it, cover. Plate, battery plate. I think I'm gonna have to wash it up. All right, gang, so out of my little parts pile, you can see our existing bottle here cracking up. So I found one. I think we got off the foot of the truck, cleaned it up, and it look much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick him in there. I got a new water pump on, got the intake mounted down, fuse box in place. And after this, we're gonna put our fender wells in. And should be done up here. Put our grill on, tire up a few things, and we should be good to go.
Turn that shit up to Q.
Alright, gang, y'all see where we at with everything. And we pretty much there. I just need to put my battery tray in, put the battery in, connect it. I'm gonna put them braces there, the ones we just cleaned off. put them in there. It's about to rain out there. But you see we got the front cap on. Little gap. These probably adjust the hinge over there and close it up. Let y'all see how it look. Sure, putting that fender well there. See it? So this is what I was talking about on this side. This hood could come down a little bit. It might be the hinge I might need to change, but we definitely gonna get it. Same on the side. Gap good. None of the doors not hitting. So y'all see what it is. And I got the back bumper, the front bumper with the vents and everything. I could put it on and get it lined up, but when I paint it, it probably cover this section. I probably paint it off the vehicle. So I just wanted to show y'all how we coming along. Next, we're gonna hop on that cab and start that bed as well. Try to get that looking nice and pretty. So, yep. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, I'm gonna adjust that other side of the hood and we should be good from now. What y'all think, old or new?